Ants may look like tiny, harmless picnic raiders, but these little six-legged psychopaths are hiding some nightmare fuel. Here are 10 scary facts about ants that will make you rethink stepping on them. 1. There are more ants than stars in the galaxy. Scientists estimate there are 20 quadrillion ants on Earth. That's 2.5 million ants for every human. If they ever teamed up, we'd be absolutely fucked. 2. Some ants are basically zombies. There's a fungus called Ophiocordyceps that infects ants, takes over their brains, and forces them to climb up high before killing them. The fungus then bursts out of the ant's head like some horror movie parasite. 3. Fire ants can build living rafts of themselves. When floods happen, fire ants link their bodies together to form a floating raft of pure nightmare. They can survive for weeks like this, waiting for something, or someone, to climb onto so they can swarm and sting it to death. 4. They can strip flesh off bones like piranhas. Army ants move in giant, unstoppable swarms and devour anything in their path. If an animal, or unlucky human, collapses in their way, they will tear the flesh off its bones in minutes. 5. Bulldog ants can kill you in 15 minutes. Found in Australia, of course, bulldog ants have one of the most painful stings in the insect world. Their venom can cause allergic reactions so severe that people have died within 15 minutes of being stung. 6. They have slave armies. Some ant species, like Polyergus ants, raid other colonies, steal their babies, and force them to work as slaves. The kidnapped ants spend their whole lives serving their captors, completely brainwashed. 7. Bullet ants have the most painful sting in the world. The sting of a bullet ant is ranked as the most painful insect sting on Earth. Victims describe it as being shot, set on fire, and electrocuted at the same time, and the pain lasts for 24 hours. 8. They can control an entire ecosystem. Ants farm, fight wars, build underground cities, and control other species. They're basically tiny alien overlords that have mastered civilization way better than we have. 9. Some ants explode to kill their enemies. Colobopsis saundersii, also known as the exploding ant, will literally blow itself up, spraying toxic goo all over its enemies. Suicide bombing, but make it biological warfare. 10. They've been around for 140 million years. Ants have survived mass extinctions, asteroid impacts, and the fall of dinosaurs. They've been here for 140 million years and will probably outlive humanity. Final thought, ants aren't just tiny bugs. They're warlords, flesh eaters, mind-controlling parasites, and biological weapons all rolled into one. If they were the size of dogs, we'd be screwed.